Welcome back to the Cryptoverse, guys. My name is Brandon and I am back with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be talking about Harmony One because Harmony One has just got listed on a new exchange, which we are going to be talking about once we jump on over into the Cryptoverse. It is always good when coins get listed on new exchanges, making it easier for people to buy. So that is a good thing. Also, we're going to be talking about the price action that Harmony has been having over this week, which has been looking very nice for the start of July. So with that being said, let's roll the intro and let's get on over into the Cryptoverse. Welcome into the Cryptoverse, guys. As you guys can see, Hotbit tweeted today that Harmony One is now listed on Hotbit. Deposits open at 7 a.m. and trading opens at 9 a.m. and the APY for Harmony One will be launched at 50% APY, which is good. So with that being said, let's hop into the chart. So if you look at the left hand side, or the right hand side has the higher time frames and the left hand side has the lower time frames. So today we're going to start off looking at the weekly chart. As you guys can see here, we broke out of this descending channel that I've been talking about for the past week on my channel. We broke out of this nice range candle on some decently nice volume. We still have 2 days left in this candle. I'm pretty sure the volume is going to increase some more on this, but we are also coming up to test the 20 weekly moving average right there on the weekly candle. Hopefully we can get a flip of this. If not, maybe we come, butt heads with this, sit in this area here, see what Bitcoin is going to do, because if Bitcoin starts to tank, then I think we will come back somewhere down here where our 4 cent is and maybe get some more strength back there. That would also be fine too if we come back down to 4 cent, our buy area, which is a nice buy area, 4 cent. If we come back down there, gain some more strength before we start this fifth wave of this move here. And if you look at this, if you go, let's put it on long scale here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe this could be the start of 5 right here. Maybe this is the start of 5. You never know until we start to get some breaks of these higher tops up here, like the day May 17th, the week of May 17th. Also up here, once we start to break some of these tops, also we have nicely started to break some of these tops. If you look at here on the left hand side for the daily chart, we broke this top here just recently, broke that top, we just broke this top. And if you look at this, Harmony One is actually, we came up here, got some sideways action, and then we came up here, and now it looks like we are also getting another let's get this off here, sorry guys. We are also getting potentially a accumulation before we make our next leg up, which it looks like it could be doing that right now. And another good sign is that we broke some highs. We are starting to go sideways above these highs instead of us coming up here, breaking down, coming back to test this level here. Instead of us doing that, we broke above these previous highs, and now we're consolidating above the highs, which is a good sign there. We're also still above the 20 moving average. Looks like we are above the 50 also. The 50 could be starting to scoop up also. And then there's this trend that formed here. Touch there. We are actually starting to make some room off of this. The angle is starting to get pretty nicely off of this trend here. So if we can stay above the, since we're above the 50 now, let's flip this 50, stay above the 50, and also stay above this 20. And then we're also back above the 200 moving average also here, this red line here. We're also back above that. So we are starting to flip a lot of our previous resistances, and we're actually sitting above it. Like I said, we broke these highs here, and we're actually, above it just slightly, or we're testing it just slightly, this next area of value that we are sitting in, or just below right now on the daily chart. And if we switch this to something like an hourly chart also, it looks like, as you can see, we tested this area of value a lot. So this will be a very good level, or key level to break, and also I'm looking at if we can get some closes above this 11 cent 12 cent mark, then that'll also be a good sign of us potentially starting this fifth wave here for Harmony One. And then if we go back to our daily chart, look at the right hand side, just not confuse you guys, take this off log scale here. As you can see, we have some support or resistance here. We are just getting above this. If you look at this RSI here, we used this as support back here in March. Now it was resistance here during the crash. Now it's still resistance, and now it looks like we are starting to just slightly get above this RSI here. So we still have some room before we get up here into this overbought area at above 70. We're currently at 57, excuse me. So maybe we need to get like a little push up here before we get to that overbought area, and then start to see some downward action for this RSI here, which will start to bring the price down. But also that depends on what Bitcoin wants to do. So what it looks like Harmony One could possibly do right now, it looks like we could possibly be sitting on this green line here, and then potentially pushing up some more into this area of value here. Maybe we come up here, test somewhere 10 cent, or if we just look here on the left hand side, and let's go in and check like the 4-hour chart and see. Because if we come up here, the next spot that potentially could be, would be up here at the top of this candle here at like 9 cent. That would be the next area. We used it as resistance here, for a little bit, and then we flipped it as support, and then we lost it some more here on June 7th. So maybe this would be the next level for us to, come up and test this 9 cent here, where this candle here a couple days ago, 2 days ago, July 7th, we bounced off of that candle, and now it looks like yesterday we also bounced off it, and maybe we come up there and test that spot again at 9 cent. But if we could get up to the top of this area of value and break this, and then come up here to these highs over here at around 12 cents, start to get some closes around 12 cent, that will look very, very strong for Harmony One. And also we need the volume to come in to help us push up a little bit more before we get into this overbought area, and then we start to see some retracements coming in. But that kind of all depends on Harmony, or not Harmony, excuse me, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to plummet, then Harmony One will most likely come back into this 4 cent area, which will be a nice buy area for Harmony to scoop up, make back Harmony at 4 cent, and then maybe we get some strength up down here, and then start to push up again and start the 5th wave. But as of right now, things are looking very good. We got this trend here that I've been talking about also that's formed. Let's just keep this momentum going, and then let's get some potential price targets. If we just take the Fibonacci from the top of this move, and from the top, and bring it all the way to this bottom here, and let's turn the magnet on to get like some spot on accuracy here. So what I'm looking at is for this 5th wave that potentially is coming in the months to come, I am looking at around 80 cent, 62 cent here. But I think Harmony One personally will be over $1 by the end of this bull run here. Will be over $1, which would have to break this whole Fibonacci pretty much to hit $1. But I think Harmony in the years to come will be more than $1. So that is what I think about Harmony One. So for this 5th wave, I'm looking at these price ranges here, from 75 cent to $1 there. $1 is a very called for price. A lot of people want to see a lot of coins hit $1. They want to see Cardano hit $1. They want to see it hit $2, and it did that. So those are very sentiment levels for Harmony One at the moment, $1. So that is what I am looking for. Well, that'll be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys found some value from that video. If you did, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave some comments down in the description below. I always like to read you guys' comments and respond to those. I respond to those when I get the chance to. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. That link will be in the description below. My Discord link will also be down there for the people who want to, just come talk, chat, share your ideas with people, and just help each other make money and share each other's ideas, because that's the whole purpose of this channel, is to help you guys make money and to help myself make some money. So with that being said, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.